with no intro at all. As you can see, it started fairly abruptly. We've now cut to another part of the video. And again, as you see, it happened very abruptly and it happened without warning. I'm now going to tell you on camera to go and like us on Facebook. So if you search for videos on Facebook, you'll hopefully find us. We're now going to end this video, and we're going to end this without any outro or without any call to action. And as you're about to see, it's about to end very abruptly. So you've just seen an amazing animated intro, and it set the tone of this video right from the word go. And as you can see on screen now, you're being introduced to me. You know my name, and I'm not having to do that. It's happening on screen. We've now cut to a different part of the video, and as you've just seen, we did that with a really cool animation. I'm now going to tell you to follow us on Facebook or subscribe to us on YouTube, and don't forget to pick up videos below. We're now going to end this short video with an animated outro and call to action. But look at what you've just seen. Look at the difference between this short video and the one right next to it. This is how your videos are about to look.